Hello everyone, this is David Blair, the Crosshairs Trader. Today I want to begin a multi-part series of videos that describe the Crosshairs indicator and the workspace that I use in the TradeStation platform. This is a workspace that I have personally developed over years of trading, and am now sharing it with others in seminars and on my website at thecrosshairstrader.com. Please join me whenever you can. The blog is free, and then I do offer training and the opportunity to learn how to trade in the crosshairs and the ability to download this workspace into the TradeStation platform. So join me there, email me, contact me, whatever you wish, but I do appreciate you taking your time to join me today. In this multi-part series, I'm going to begin today with pointing out the workstation over here to the right of the screen. In this workstation, the Crosshairs workstation, I have three charts that I watch, and these are the only three charts that I watch in trading. It begins with an intraday chart here. This is the 144-minute chart. The second chart I use is the daily chart, and then the third chart that I use is the weekly chart. The weekly chart basically gives me an idea of the market's direction or the stock's direction over the course of the next few weeks to possibly months. For instance, in March of this year, late February to early March, there was a crosshair that fired here that gave me and Crosshairs traders the signal that the market was most likely going to go up for several weeks, which it did. Of course, now it has dropped back. But now let's see the daily chart. The daily chart gives me an idea of where the market's going to go over the next few days to possibly weeks. And then the intraday chart gives me an idea of where the market's going to go over the course of the next few hours to possibly days. So really, my system is set up for two reasons. Set up this way for two reasons. One, for the longer term investors, give you a longer term idea of the stock market. And then second of all, for those who wish not to day trade but prefer to look at bigger charts, swing trading, trend trading charts, and prefer to do that instead of staring at the stock market all day long. And the 144 simply allows you to be able to look at the market a couple of times a day and get an idea of possible direction for hour trades or a couple of day trades. And then the daily chart, as I said, can give you an idea of multi-day trades to possibly multi-week, and the weekly chart can give multi-week, multi-month opportunities. It can also give you a bias. In other words, if I am looking at a crosshair on a daily chart, I will look at the weekly chart to make sure that it is agreeing with direction of my daily crosshair or trade. Same with the 144. I will look at the 144 and make sure that the 144 direction, if it is giving me a crosshair, will be in the same direction as the bias of the daily and the weekly chart. So for instance, back here in February of this year, I would have been looking at bullish trades from February up into May. So even on the 144 chart, during that whole period, I would have been looking at possible bullish trades all along this time as well. So multiple chart trading, multiple time frame trading, if you will. That's how the right hand side is set up in my proprietary workspace at TradeStation. If you've got any questions, please contact me. I'll be glad to discuss the Crosshairs trading platform, the Crosshairs indicator, and what we look for high probability trades. See you next time in part 2 as we discuss the lines that I have on these charts. Thank you.